Ducati announced a new color scheme for its 2021 model year Multistrada 950S review. Like the Panigale V2, now the motorized adventure comes with the new white GP livery. It features a mix of white and gray with some Ducati red details for the frame and wheels. The Italian brand offers a wheel and spoked version of the Multistrada 950S 2021 with a temporary motor in the GP white finish. The GP White livery takes inspiration from Ducati MotoGP graphics and the color scheme alternating white and gray, retaining a clear Ducati touch in some red details, such as on the frame and graphics on the alloy wheels. The new coloring was designed by motorcycle manufacturer Borgo Panigale to add sportiness to the Ducati Multistrada 950S, which makes elegance, fluidity and balance of lines its strengths. The Ducati Multistrada 950 is the ideal motorcycle to experience the excitement of everyday commuting, rediscovering famous roads or venturing into new territory. Perfect ride comfort and versatility for all types of use. Low weight, 19 front wheels and reduced seat height, 840 mm, ensure agility and a comfortable ride, while technological equipment ensures maximum safety and comfort in all conditions, whether for those who want to travel long distances, perhaps as a partner and with luggage. Built-in, and for those looking for a bike that's agile and fun to use every day. On a positive occasion, the new livery, the Ducati Multistrada 950S GP White, is the protagonist of a true, extraordinary journey that sits between in the motor valley in Emilia-Romagna that is unmistakable. For motorbikes that make every road a new world, these lands are the ideal place to enjoy the beauty and uniqueness of the Italian region. The Ducati Multistrada 950, in its S version, is equipped with innovative technologies to serve safety and driving pleasure. Electronic suspension with the Ducati Skyhook Suspension Evo (DSS) system, Ducati Quick Shift Up and Down (DQS), full LED headlights by Ducati. Cornering lights, DCL-5, color TFT display, hands-free system, cruise control and backlight handlebar control, as well as Bosch ABS cornering, which improves active vehicle safety. Starting from MY21, the entire Multistrada 950 range, powered by a Testastrada 11 degrees engine, 937 cc and 113 horsepower, will meet Euro 5 standards in all countries where it applies. On all Ducati models, multifamily, Ducati offers an exclusive Forever Multistrada warranty for 4 years with unlimited mileage. This guarantees the service offered by the company's entire dealer network based in Bologna, a competent and ever-trained team that treats every Ducati motorcycle with the same care that it is designed and assembled at the Borgo Panigale.